most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Well, we say good morning, everybody, as we look at the sunrise over Kinzers here this morning. It's going to be another sunny day, but it's going to be a hot one. The peak of this heat starts today. As we check your headlines here, and the heat wave will last through the weekend. The rain chances look limited. We actually had a shower this morning in northern Lancaster County, but it didn't last, and it was just enough to wet the ground. We've got Children's Lake looking good. Ripples indicating just a slight hint of a breeze in Boiling Springs this morning, but that's about it. Again, we've got ring of fire convection to the northeast of us, but we should stay mainly dry again today and hot. The temperatures are going to really soar today through Saturday. Right now, Harrisburg's at 77. We do have 60s, though, for Lebanon and York, 73 in Lancaster, Philly's at 74. A lot of 70s on the board, and many of us are now 5 to 10 degrees warmer than we were yesterday. The heat's just going to continue to build, and it's going to be harder and harder to cool off temperatures at night. Dew points, though, not bad. In the mid-60s, we can handle that. Well, we can handle dew points in the 70s with this type of heat. But if we get some mixing, that's just going to create drier conditions in the afternoon, and temperatures are going to continue to climb. Today into the upper 90s, 99 degrees, very hot, very humid, and just ugly. I mean, it's going to be feeling pretty soupy tonight, 77 degrees. This is not great sleeping weather. Now, you've heard us mention the ring of fire. I heard Eric Finkenmeyer talk about it last night, and what that means is that on the outer edge of this heat dome, this high pressure ridge, that's where you get the forcing, that's where you get the convection, and it forms sort of a ring around the high. And so we can see, here's the northern arc of it. I've highlighted it for you. And in the Midwest, up into Canada, into New England, and out into the Atlantic, you can see where there are thunderstorms developing. And underneath that dome, not much happening. Air suppressed and bubbling up with heat and humidity. Dew points in the 70s as far north as Montreal. Chicago has a dew point of 73. Harrisburg at 65, holding tough, but the atrocious stuff is coming. And we do expect dew points to get into the 70s today. But watch what happens tomorrow afternoon. We could get enough mixing that we actually mix some drier air back down to the surface, meaning tomorrow, you might be able to tell a slight difference if we can get that mixing, but it's going to be over 100 degrees. So it's still going to be hot. And then the humidity comes back in full force here by Friday morning. So it is going to be tough sledding to be outside the next few days. Today we're going to be close to 100. That is the record. Tonight, uncomfortable, soupy. Temperatures are going to be in the 70s. And then tomorrow, I think we surpass that century mark. It's going to be a very, very hot day in the afternoon. Could be one of our hottest. So where does that leave us in terms of rainfall? Not in a great spot. We have a 6-inch deficit now. We're going to just add to it over the coming days. Both today and tomorrow look bone dry. Same thing with Friday now. We thought maybe there could be a stray thunderstorm. I don't think that's going to happen. It stays to our east on Friday. The 4th of July could offer up a storm or two. But again, I think chances look limited until Sunday and Monday. Next week, the heat goes away. We start to see temperatures settle back down to near seasonable levels. But you'll notice even on Sunday, we do stay in the 90s. Rain chances increase a bit Sunday and Monday with more scattered storms, but it's not a given your backyard gets rain. So we had less than an inch of rain in June. We should have had 4 inches. So it's one of our top 5 driest Junes on record. That puts us in the hole for the year. We've only had 14.5 inches of rain. We should have had almost 21. Doing the math, it's not great. We will stay dry here over the next few days. Peak heat tomorrow and Friday at 101. Saturday still looks very hot, July 4th, with a pop-up storm. A better chance of storms Sunday and Monday as temperatures do calm down as we move into next week. So prolonged heat wave continues, but there is light at the end of the tunnel there as we move into next week.
Yeah, we just need to get through the holiday.
Yes, get through the holidays, keep cool, be smart. That's my advice.
A lot of people shifting their plans, I think, because of this heat.
Yeah, maybe a little more indoors, but listen, I wouldn't cancel any celebrations. It's going to be hot, but just be cool about it. Wear those, like you said, those cooling towels and things, and enjoy the holiday. That's the main thing.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Brett. Let's take